Egg biryani. We are doing egg biryani for drivers, especially real taste of some real Indian food.
Yes, let's see how we do this.
We are caramelizing onions for the biryani. Heated the vessel with some oil in it. Let it heat. Caramelize the onions first and keep it aside. And then we'll go ahead and fry the eggs and the potatoes. Caramelize the onions.
This will take a while. You have to continue them like this for another
Until they are brown.
round. Yes.
From golden to brown. Preparing the eggs and the potatoes. We'll add some turmeric,
Great for the color.
some red chili powder, some salt, coriander powder.
It's made from the seeds.
Yeah,
probably.
coriander, roasted coriander seeds. Just toss it up. A little gently because these eggs are boiled first. So I've boiled these eggs.
They must be completely hard, not soft inside.
No, not necessary. A little hard, soft inside can be because we'll fry them so they'll cook again in the heat and then we'll put it in the pressure cooker along with the rice so they'll be again cooked there. So even if in case they are a little soft inside, it would work. They would be perfectly hard while we have the finished biryani. Now you can see everything is nice and well covered with the color, with taste.
They are turning brown.
So we've switched off the gas because even if in case you stop the stove, you stop the fire, the onions have the tendency of getting cooked on their own because it's a lot heated. So even if in case you leave it like this, they'll keep on cooking for some time on its own. We are just doing the chicken biryani, egg biryani, and we are putting some kebabs in it just to, make it more tastier and help our taste buds.
And that's the kebab.
Yeah. These are mutton and chicken kebab.
Chicken is the white one, right?
Right.
Potatoes already.
Some meatballs, chicken and lamb meatballs to go in the biryani. Some
Not
fusion.
really balls, but
Not really balls, but some fusion to the traditional egg biryani, so that we also get some meaty flavor, meaty taste in the egg biryani. Authentic spices here. This is cinnamon,
okay.
cinnamon stick, very strong one. Peppercorns, very strong ones. So 2 of them are more than enough. Cloves, star anise,
Yes.
and probably I'll have to Google it out
Okay.
for the name. So we are putting all this here, and we'll
Smash it.
powder it out here, smash it, and make a powder of it to put it in the biryani. Make some masala first here, and then we'll put all the things which we've done along with the rice which we have soaked for the biryani. So before that, we have to do some more work to make a masala.
Okay.
Like some spices.
So we have onion here, which is finely chopped.
But here you will cook the rice?
Yes.
Okay.
But how it will happen, you need to wait.
Okay.
There's a lot of cooking to happen before we actually cook the rice.
Oh, okay. I think this is something new for me.
So we put in some oil, then we'll put some cumin seeds, then we'll put the chopped green chilies, 2 chopped green chilies, as I feel Dragos might not be able to handle much. So some green chilies.
It's like a spicy version for me.
Yeah, a little less spicy version for Dragos especially. There goes the chopped onion. We're putting some bay leaves here. There is the same masala I have over here, and I also have some masala with tomato and the onion also.
What is that?
So we have two kind of cardamoms here. One is the small green cardamom, another is the brown big cardamom. I'm adding one big cardamom here as of now, and in some time I will add the green cardamoms a little later, otherwise it would turn bitter in taste.
Okay. So this is the tomato masala.
Tomato masala. The same thing, but we have also put in some tomato in it, and I have already kept it prepared to shorten the time of the video. So now we have plenty of masala. After adding all the masalas here, we have plenty of masala for the biryani.
So this is like a liquid yogurt.
Yes, a liquid yogurt. Curd, we call it.
Curd.
Curd. It's a little sour than the normal yogurt.
I should try this. I think I will like it.
Yes, it's very good for your guts. I'm adding some turmeric to it, some red chili powder. This will also prevent these masalas, the powders, to get rid of getting burnt by putting them directly. So it will be more flavorful and less burnt. Coriander powder,
Coriander.
a generous amount of coriander powder in it, because that's not spicy, it's flavorful. Then we are mixing it along with the curd here. Since I forgot to put the ginger garlic paste in it, so I have fried it separately, and I am adding the ginger garlic paste. You can add the ginger garlic paste as per your liking, but do remember two things about it. One, don't overcook it, it will taste bitter. Don't undercook it, it will have a foul smell and may not have a good taste to it. So just cook it right until it's golden. Green chilies, onion, ginger garlic paste,
Masala is
cinnamon, we have the bay leaf, we have big cardamom, the brown cardamom here. See, the masala is ready here. Now I'm adding the yogurt, the curd, the Indian curd, along with red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder, all mixed together. Keeping it aside while I'll put the rice, I'll put some water in it and then again clean it up and put it. So I'll cook the curd until a little oil separates from the curd. So I'll cook it a little well over here. After adding the curd, the entire consistency of the masala, entire look of the masala and the color, everything changes. Now it looks beautiful. The masala has started getting thicken up.
Yes.
Now is the time. Our eggs are ready, caramelized onions are ready, our kebabs are ready. We also have soaked rice with us. What we will do now is add the rice.
So the rice, you don't boil it.
We will boil it, we will pressure cook it. This is a easy way to cook biryani. When we are using basmati rice, the water should be 2.5 times to 3 times of the quantity of the rice. This is special garam masala, the one I have made fresh with cinnamon powder, some cumin powder, the eggs and the potatoes.
So everything will be cooked together with the rice.
Will be, yes, this is the simplest method to cook egg potato biryani along with some meat all together. Rose water,
Oh, it smells so good.
a little bit of kevda essence, just a few drops are more than enough.
Chopped coriander leaves. How do you know when it's ready?
2 whistles.
2 whistles.
2 whistles.
Okay.
we are making raita to accompany with the egg biryani. So we'll take this curd.
We'll beat the yogurt,
Make it more smoother.
make it more smoother. The first key ingredient is the cumin powder.
Okay.
We have some rock salt. It tastes a little different than the normal routine salt and gives a little punchy taste. We'll add on the normal white salt while we'll have this raita, because we'll refrigerate it, we'll cool it so that it tastes a little better with hot biryani. The cool raita is the accompaniment. So we'll refrigerate it. If I put salt in it right now, it will become more sour and it would become watery. So we'll add the salt while we are having it.
I understand.
Okay.
Yes.
And we can always put just a bit of red chili powder, because since Dragos might not be able to handle the green chilies,
Yes.
or it might be very spicy for anyone. So we are just putting a little bit of red chili powder here, just for the sake of taste,
Yes.
not for the chilliness. Okay. Now we'll once more mix it up. You can add water or keep it thick as per your liking, but since I want to give Dragos the taste of real Indian raita, so I'm making it the way it's supposed to be, a little liquidy. I'll add some chopped onions to it. Let me see if they are enough. Yes, they're enough. Yes. Again, this is as per anyone's liking to add more onion, salt, or green chilies or anything. This is our biryani. We're gonna plate it in a while. There's a way of doing things, you know, the way I'm tossing it up.
It's a special technique.
Yeah, otherwise the eggs and things would be broken. So I'm flipping it upside down, basically.
I understand.
So you must have a piece of an egg, a potato, two of them rather, and some kebab. And that's how you come across the real biryani.
If you like it, please subscribe and also check for more of my videos. Thank you for watching.